Yeah, good morning. What's happening? You're back at the HPP with your boy ABC. And I felt the need to do the ladies' man list there for a minute. Hopefully, some of you are old enough to know what that means. But as promised, I wanted to do some more demonstration videos, less talky, more cookie. So, this is real meal number one. I woke up late because I'm off my schedule. Oh my God! And I stayed up later than normal. Woke up later than normal. So first thing I did when I woke up was drink water because I was super thirsty, but then 50 grams of whey, and yeah, that was it. No carbs yet. So now going for a solid food meal. What you see here is 10 egg whites and some plant-based ground turkey. That is really weird to say still, but it's not actually turkey meat. It's plant-based replacement turkey meat. So it's still got the same amount of protein per serving, per 4 ounces. There's like 22 grams of protein, but there's more fat. There's a lot more fat. Not very much saturated, but there's more fat in it than there is regular turkey meat, which is a good thing right now because again, the closer you get to prep or when you're trying to deplete, you start to eliminate carbohydrates in their simplest form first and then complex forms later. So there are still some carbs involved. I don't count the fibrous vegetables like you see the spinach there. I don't count that in my carb count for the day. That's just there for micronutrients. But these little bad boys, right, almond flour, because I'm not doing any wheat at this point, or dairy, or sugar, or really fun, I guess, anything. But so you can see kind of the nutritional breakdown per tortilla. And some people are gonna be like, oh my God, how can you eat that much sodium? Well, again, at this point, it's close to 2 gallons of water a day, and I'm flushing a lot of minerals and micronutrients out. So having some sodium put back in is not necessarily a horrible thing at this point until I'm, the last week out, and then it gets really detail oriented as far as sodium and water and all that goes. But so that's that. It's taken me about as much time to make this as it did for me to talk about making it, which is a whole 2 minutes and 40 seconds now. So it's a pretty quick and easy breakfast. Then after this, who knows, I'll probably go train, but we'll see how my body feels since I'm kind of off schedule today. But anyway, life is good. Whether you want to acknowledge that or not, life is good. Just look at it from a different perspective if it's not yet. And enjoy what you have. Realize how blessed we all are, even if things aren't going the way you want them to. Make the most of today. Don't be a dick. Be a good human. Until next time, stay swell, stay swole.